Hey folks, we're Sacred Circle Homestead, and welcome to our channel. Here you'll find videos on no-till gardening, building a homestead from scratch, frugal and off-grid living, an abundance of plants, and everything in between when it comes to living a self-reliant lifestyle and running a small-scale permaculture nursery. Our life revolves around being connected to and close to the earth, growing plants for ourselves and others, and offering the tools and mindful wisdom to promote self-reliance and the restoration of healthy and living ecosystems. Follow along as we start to build our new homestead and cabin off-grid in the forests and mountains of Vermont. We definitely aren't experts. We're a young couple in pursuit of a simpler and saner lifestyle, and we're trying to create an inspiring example that anybody can design, build, and own their own home, debt-free, from nothing, just like what we're doing. It certainly is a lot of hard work, but it's rewarding, and it's our passion, and we encourage you to give it a try as well. If you're like us and want to pursue a homesteading lifestyle in a low-cost, low-impact way, then this is the place for you. We don't have deep pockets, we're self-taught, but we have the passion and we have the heart. So, whether you're here to learn, watch us learn, get inspired, or maybe you're looking for some tips for increasing self-sufficiency, we'd really love it if you stuck around and got to know us. Watch a video or two, and if you like what we're doing, please subscribe and share. We'd love to have you along on our journey, and we really hope you enjoy. We're looking forward to connecting with you.